The Tumbleweed Worm Café is designed for indoor or outdoor use and is Tumbleweed's premium worm farm for recycling your organic kitchen waste. It's best for larger families who generate at least 3 to 4 kilograms per week of kitchen scraps and other organic materials like shredded paper or cardboard. Easy to set up with a strong and reliable Australian design, manufactured from 100% recycled plastic, the Worm Café is the ideal way to start a sustainable waste management practice at home, turning your kitchen scraps into a rich organic fertiliser. The assembly of the Worm Café is easy. The first step is to attach the legs to the collector tray, which catches the liquid that drains through your worm farm. The collector tray is ventilated to allow aeration through your worm farm. The second step is to insert the drip-free tap and fasten it on by screwing it onto the tap nut. The third step is to stack your working tray into the collector tray. You're now ready to add your worms to this working tray, but remember, the worms are sold separately. For a complete how-to video, watch the Worm Farm full video on this website or refer to the instruction manual that comes with your Worm Café. You'll find our product in the home garden aisle at your local Bunnings store. Happy worm farming.